Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder, and today I want to share with you the new Blocs Master website I have released yesterday. And I've been working on this for many years, to be honest, because it is not just the landing pages, marketing materials. It is actually the website where all of my courses, templates, libraries, and all other services are hosted now. So basically it will replace the Podia dashboard, which you have been using for the past 10 years or so. So when you go to the website, let me give you a quick overview of what we have here. This is the first version, and I will add many more pages and content in the coming month. But right now, if you go to the website, you will see on the main page there are some featured courses, featured resources, being the premium templates and minimalist library, of course, some services, the membership training and support, and some other information. And of course, the main feature of this website is this cool sidebar navigation, which is actually built as off-canvas feature. So if we switch to smaller devices, we can bring this floating sidebar back. And no matter how small the device is, you can see it is staying stick there on the top of the left. So very easy to use navbar. And yeah, from here you can access all courses. Right now there are 10 courses I have published in the recent years, and some of them are member only, some of them are free, but I will add a lot more free courses in the coming months for the legacy versions of Blocs, because I still think it will be cool to have all of the courses in one place. And if you go inside the course, there is some materials and the table of contents, and you can sign in to watch. So this one is free. So if you click on sign in to watch, it will ask you to log in. And if you have a login already, you can just log in with your account. If you're previously signed up for the Blocs Master membership, you can use your same email as Podia account and then just use the reset password to get the new password to your email account. But if you don't have an account and you just want to watch the free courses, you can create the new one by clicking here. So let me quickly do that. This will be for the free account test. And I will I will create an account, and what it will do, it will send me an email to this email address. On the website itself, it will switch to this login page right away. You can type your free.eldergazalov.com email, and for the password, for the first time, it will be actually sent to you by email. So this is the email you will get to your inbox. It says that this is the username and this is the password. So you can copy it and use this password, and then using dashboard, you can actually change it to anything you want. So only for the first time, you will have to use this password and you will log in. It will ask me if I want to save it. I don't, because, well, right now we are in the dashboard. As you can see, it says that hello free account, the name we just created. This is our username. We have standard support, and we have access to 3 courses. And of course, we can become members and have access to many more. But first of all, if you want to change an account, change the, email address, name, or even a password, you can do that by clicking on this edit button. It will be bringing you to this section, which you can use to update your personal information. So since now we have a free account, we can go to courses, for example, and all of the courses which are free, you can click on them. This is the iPad course. As you can see, we don't have the button for sign in anymore. We can just navigate between the different videos and watch our course. You can go to, for example, SEO course, and again, you can access them from your dashboard. So let's say, World CMS course is one of the most popular ones. So as you can see here, we have access to the assets. You can click here to download the assets for this course. Some include project files, some include just outline this detailed information, some include just some other coupons maybe. But yeah, you can download it and then you can just watch the video. And yeah, as you can see, all of these videos are hosted on YouTube for a few reasons, mostly because I wanted them to be kind of the same style-wise, and I also wanted to take advantage of the YouTube's automatic captions, subtitles here. As you can see, we can translate them to pretty much any language we want, and in my experience it is quite good quality. In addition to that, I will soon add the auto dubbing, so meaning that you will be able to watch all of my courses, all of my tutorials in your native language, be it Italian, German, Spanish, whatever you want. So if you are happy with your free account, but you want access to all of the membership courses, or for example, templates or minimalist library, one of the best add-ons available for Blocs, you can do so by clicking on get access now or by going to membership area. And from here, this is the cool new pricing section I have designed. It is based on the design of the Nova app pricing page. I really like this pricing page, so I shamelessly kind of copied it. And as you can see, they allow to purchase it right away, like 99 plus tax, or upgrade from the previous version. So in my version, I do include tax for now. Maybe I will change it later, I don't know. But yeah, you just select the version you want. So in my case, it is becoming a member for new members, or if you're existing user and you would like to become a member, you can use the second option and it will change the total price here, as you can see below. And if you want to keep yourself subscribed and updated, you can leave this optional subscription on. And as you can see, it tells you that it will renew at just 49 per year. If you don't want, you can actually uncheck this and it will become a one-time payment. So we can sign up, you can become a member, and you will get access to all video courses, all libraries, all site templates, priority support, all future products and updates for the next 12 months. So I think that's a great deal. And yeah, I mean, I think it's a no-brainer for most people. But if you want to support myself and you want to keep access to all of the new products and all of the other products, you can check this, keep me updated after the first year. This one is exactly the same as on the Nova website. And yeah, during the first year, if you download something like the templates library, you can use it forever. So you don't need this box checked if you want to use this after your first year. But again, for 49 per year, you can take advantage of the priority support updates and new products. So let's say that you signed up. So right now I do have this option here, membership. And if I go to dashboard, I also have this become a member section. But if I log out and go into my account, which is actually registered as a member, you can see that this is the membership account. It says that I am Blocs Master member. This is the date I am Blocs Master member until, so 2028, a long time. From here, I can go to Paddle Customer Portal to sign up with my email and easily change my membership, cancel, renew, or prolong, whatever you want. If you are on the older subscription, you can actually get in touch using the support page. This is the support page, and for general inquiries or account support or member support, you can send me an email from here. So if you're a member, you have access to everything. So 2 classes for Blocs Master, WordPress, Minimalist Library, Premium Templates, and all other legacy and actually 3 templates, 3 courses as well. So a lot of content. And the top of the list is actually the featured content. It will always be here. So you don't need to kind of scroll everything and see what you have there. So once you have this membership active, you can go to your membership page and you will see that you don't need to sign up anymore. You're already a member and you have access for everything. So if it is a masterclass, as you can see, there are no marketing materials anymore. There are just lessons. There are just some assets, these coupons actually, very useful as well. If you go to templates page, you have this button to download all templates at once, or you can actually go to each template and download them individually. So if we log out for a second and go to templates, you'll see that we don't have this download button and we can preview each of the templates here very easily. This one is very beautiful. For example, apartment, one of the newer ones. If you want to learn more about the template, you can click on learn more and it will bring you to the Blocs templates website. So I don't have a separate page for each template on Blocs Master website because I do have the same page on Blocs templates. So I don't want to have the same page over and over again. So basically you can preview them from here, and if you want to access them, well, if you're a member, you can just log in like this, and from there you can just, let's say you want to download this resume template only, you click on this and it will, well, ask you if you want to download it. I don't want it to download now, but you can download all of the templates manually, like individually, or all at once. I do recommend to download each of them like only when you need them, because I will be updating all of the templates this year, and I have already updated about 20 in the past few months. And by updating, I mean I'm rebuilding them from scratch, from zero, using Blocs 6 and Minimalist Library. So they're all perfectly optimized and performance like great for all of the latest templates. Again, you can learn more about this on the Blocs templates website, and this website also has a few other free templates which are not available on the Blocs Master website. But yeah, if you're a member, you have access to everything. If you go to library, you can see here we have the download minimalist option. And when you click on this, it will allow you to download the latest version of the minimalist library. You can see how this works. Like if you are not familiar with this minimalist library, you can read some questions and answers. And yeah, this is the best product I have for Blocs, and I highly recommend you check it here. So we have training as well. From here, you can purchase the training sessions for one-on-one consulting or training with myself, this screen sharing or whatever you want. And everything is located here in the sidebar. Even if you are not a member, you can use this support page to contact me, but only members get the guaranteed support time. I do answer much faster, to be honest, but yeah, as you can see, it's here. And I also have a very detailed FAQ page here. And as you can see, there are answers to pretty much every question you want to have about this. And yeah, I have invested a lot of time into making this as clear and as easy to understand as possible. So this is the new Blocs Master website. Again, you have access to a lot of free content, but also if you're a member, there is a wealth of content available to you. But yeah, this is the new Blocs Master website. Hopefully you like it. If there is something I can change, please give me your feedback. I will continue to improve it. This is just the first version, but I did work on this for a very long time, so hopefully it will be helpful and useful for new and old users. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video.